on a date today with your boyfriend and having too much hair on your body? No need to worry because we have some amazing home remedies for you all. We all hate hair on our bodies and want to remove them as soon we see unwanted hair on our body. Honey and lemon. Honey and lemon are a great method to remove unwanted hair from body. So many people already use this method to remove hair. Honey also helps in moisturizing the skin and gives a smooth effect to our skin, while lemon helps to remove tans from our body. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of honey in the mixture. Warm the mixture for 5 minutes, until it becomes thick. Let the mixture cool and apply it on your body with the help of a butter knife. Use waxing strip and pull the strip out in the opposite direction. Repeat the process twice a week. Turmeric and gram flour. Mixture of turmeric and gram flour is another way to remove hair from our body. Turmeric has so many other benefits too. Turmeric has curcumin present in it, which is a very strong antioxidant. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties. It removes the harmful free radicals which can damage our skin in so many ways. It boosts collagen, which makes our skin glow. It also brightens up our dull skin. It also helps in reducing redness, which are usually caused by inflammation. How to use: take equal amount of gram flour and turmeric powder. Add some few drops of castor oil to the mixture. Mix it well until it becomes a thick paste. Apply it to the portion where you want to remove your hair. Keep it for 30 minutes and rinse it off. Repeat the process twice a week for good results. Oatmeal and banana. Oatmeal and banana can make a great mixture for the removal of unwanted hair from our body. Oatmeal gives a very hydrating effect on our skin. It contains antioxidants which helps in removing the redness from your skin. This mixture doesn't only remove your hair, but it also gives your skin a glowing and polished effect. Oat also helps to absorb the excessive oil on our skin. It's good in removing dead skin cells. Bananas helps in moisturizing our skin. Banana is a source of vitamin A which removes dirt from our skin. How to use: blend 2 to 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. Mash a banana with help of a fork and add it to blended oatmeal. Mix it well and massage it on your skin. Wash it with lukewarm water to get a non-hairy and hydrating skin. Repeat the steps thrice a week to remove unwanted hair. Egg and cornstarch. Just as eggs are good for our hair, they are also good for our skin. They help in removing the unwanted hair from our body. Eggs are rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. It moisturizes our skins. It helps removing the oil from our skin. How to use: beat an egg in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix them well until it becomes a thick paste. Leave the mixture on your skin for 15 minutes. The mixture should be like a mask. Peel off the mask and boom, your hair are gone. Gelatin and milk. The mask of gelatin and milk helps you get rid of unwanted hair. It also helps in removing blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin cells. Milk contains a lot of vitamin B12 which helps our skin to look bright and younger. It lightens our dark skin naturally as well. Vitamin A is another property of milk which soothes and polishes our skin. The lactic acid present in the milk helps in tightening of skin. Milk boosts our skin health. How to use: add 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder and 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well to form a thick paste. Squeeze a spoon of lemon juice in the mixture. Microwave this mask for 15 to 20 seconds. Let it cool. Apply it to your hairy skin. Peel off from your skin after 5 minutes. Repeat this process whenever needed. Papaya and turmeric. Papaya is another way to remove hair from our body. An enzyme which is known as papain is present in papaya which weakens the human hair and helps them to fall out easily. Papaya has also other properties. It brightens our skin. It is a natural bleaching agent which helps in removing dark pigments. It's very good for dry skin. It makes your skin soft as well. Papaya. Turmeric is a great mask to remove body hair. Turmeric contains antibacterial properties which helps to prevent blackheads or acne. It boosts collagen which makes our skin glow. It also brightens up our dull skin. It also helps in reducing redness, which is usually caused by inflammation. How to use: cut the papaya into pieces. Mash it to make a paste. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to the paste. Mix it to form a thick paste. Apply it to your body hair. Massage the mixture on your skin and leave it. Wash it off with warm water after 30 minutes. Repeat the process twice a week. Pro tips: always wash your skin after using home remedies. Wash your skin with a chemical-free soap. Be patient when you are trying home remedies, because these natural remedies take time. You must follow a healthy diet to balance your hormones, which will stop growing unwanted hair on your body. Stay hydrated. Take care of your skin. Follow a proper routine to remove hair from your body. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.